In this tutorial, I show you how you can upload YouTube Shorts using your computer. So once you're on your computer, go over to this create button here and then click on it. And then choose the option called upload video. Now this will take you directly to the upload page. Now go ahead and drag and drop your video here. Now for it to be uploaded as YouTube Shorts, you have to make sure that it is vertical, that is 9 by 16, and it should be less than 3 minutes long. Now from here, go ahead and make sure that your heading or your title is okay. Then go ahead and give it a description. Once you are done, for thumbnails, you can leave it as it is and update it or customize it on your smartphone. So once you are done here, if you have a playlist meant for shorts, select it and also make other customization. Once you are done, it's time to go ahead and tap on next to proceed. Then you may want to go ahead and add related video or add subtitles. If you don't want, you go ahead and tap on next and then next and then publish. And that will be published. Our shorts video has been published. If you check under your content, you'll not find it under videos. As you can see, under videos, it is not there. But if we go to shorts, now you can see it is here. So that's how you upload and publish YouTube Shorts on your YouTube channel using your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.